Hello friend, today I am going to discuss you the alternative pathway for activation of the complement protein. In my previous lecture, I have already discussed with you the classical pathway, which is the most important pathway of activation of the complement protein. Now this is the second pathway by which complement protein can get activated. I am going to explain this concept to you within 5 minutes. Now when any antigen enter into the body, protein called C3 go hydrolysis and convert into two parts, C3a and C3b, out of which C3b part of the protein go and bind to the surface of the antigen. This C3b can also bound to the mammalian cell, but this cell having sialic acid which rapidly degrade the C3b bound on the self cell, which prevent the activation of pathway. But when this C3b bound to the foreign antigen, it activate another protein called factor B. This factor B protein then bind to the C3b to form C3b complex. Then this complex activate factor D, which is a protease that cleave this B into two parts, BA and BB. That means this factor D going to cut the factor B into two parts, BA and BB, out of which BA diffuse in the blood and deactivated, while BB again bind on the surface of the antigen to form a complex, new complex C3b-BB. This is the C3 convertase complex in alternative pathway. We see that in classical pathway, the C3 convertase complex is C4b, C2a, but now in this case it is C3b-BB. Now this C3b-BB complex cleave C3 protein into two parts, C3a and C3b, out of which C3a diffuse in the blood and get deactivated, while C3b bound on the surface of antigen to form a final complex called C3b-BB3b. This is the C5 convertase in alternative pathway, while in classical pathway C5 convertase is C4b, C2a, C3b. Now in this case, this C5 convertase cleave C5 into two parts, C5a and C5b, out of which C5a diffuse in the blood and deactivated, while C5b, which is the most important part of this pathway, finally activate complement protein C6, C7, C8 and C9. All these proteins go and bind to the surface of the antigen on a different site, and they form a special type of a complex on antigen surface called MAC complex. This is called membrane attack complex. This complex will going to form a pore or ion channel on the surface of the antigen. Through this pore, important ions and minerals are come out from the antigen cell or a pathogen, which is going to disturb the osmotic balance of the cell, and that going to kill the antigen or the microorganisms. In this pathway, you have to remember one important thing: this C3 convertase, which is C3b-BB, having half-life of only 5 minutes, which is very less time to complete the pathway. So, special type of a protein which is present in the mammalian cell called properdin, this protein immediately bind to this C3 convertase and extend the half-life of this convertase up to 30 minutes by stabilizing the molecule, so that within 30 minutes this pathway can be completed. So, at the end of alternative pathway, the antigen in the blood is going to kill by the complement protein by forming MAC complex. Thank you.